Boxyluxe unboxing day. It's still upside down.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is NessacxBeauty. Today's video is an exciting one because I'm unboxing the March 2019 Boxyluxe, and every time Boxyluxe rolls through it feels like Christmas. So I'm really happy to share what I got with y'all today, and if you guys want to see what I got in my box, just continue watching. So this month's theme was Lave and Rose, and I don't know if I said that correctly, but I'm sorry if I didn't, and you can correct me if I didn't, but I got variation 1, so there's no surprise to that. And guys, today I'm not going to be doing a try on. I'm just unboxing it because quite frankly I don't really feel like putting on a whole face of makeup, but I am really excited to share everything that I got with you guys. So the first thing in my box is the coverfx Perfector face palette, and this is in the shade light medium and retails for $45. So there's actually a story behind this one. Boxyluxe sent me an email today saying that they sent me the wrong coverfx palette and they wouldn't be able to give me the right one because they're all out of the product. But luckily, my friend Keara Lachelle, who also has a YouTube channel, I'll have her up in the cards and link down below, she also got the email saying that she got the wrong palette and she got medium to deep. So we are gonna pull a swap, and we're both heavily excited because we were both super sad because, let's be real, this palette is beautiful. Like, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the fact that they sent me the wrong one had me so sad, but now it was like a fated thing that we know each other, because I feel so happy that we're going to be able to swap these and actually have the correct ones. The second thing in my box are the Moda brushes, and they retail for $30. This one is like a highlighting brush and it looks perfect for highlighting your cheeks. So I'm super excited to be trying this one out. And this one is your standard powder brush. So this is an all over powder brush, and they are soft to the touch, and I'm super excited to have these in my collection because you can never have enough brushes. At least that's what I think. Who agrees with me? Let me know down below, please, because I don't know if it's a problem that I have or if everybody feels the exact same way as me. The next thing in my box is the only thing I saw a spoiler for this month, because I actively tried to stay away from spoilers for the March Boxyluxe to see how it went for me in terms of my excitement level. And I feel like I'm gonna stop looking at spoiler videos because I feel more excited now that I didn't know that half of these things were gonna be in my box, honestly. But this is the iconic eyeshadow cushion, and this retails for $40, y'all. $40. This is the brush that came with it. It's actually pretty cool. It you can put it right there, you can take it out, you can extend it, and they gave me the shade medium. So let's see how medium looks. I'm not going to be putting it on my brow, but I will be swatching it here. Okay, that looks like it's perfect for my eyebrows, and I'm looking forward to using this now. Honestly, I don't use anything other than black on my eyes, and this looks like a really, really dark brown, but it's swatched pretty dark. So I have high hopes for this one. Up next in my box is a skincare item. This is the Wanda Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and it retails for $34. Honestly, I'm so excited because I love masks. And this is how it looks. It's nice and rose. It goes along with the theme pretty well, and I can't wait to put this on my face. I probably will tonight before I go to bed, and yeah, I can't say more about that, but I'm excited. And of course, Wanda Beauty is one of the brands that we usually get in BoxyCharm and Boxyluxe, so I'm very appreciative that they keep sending products to us. The next one is from a brand that I haven't tried at all, and I really, really, really want to, but I don't want to put on falsies right now. It's the Lily lashes, and these are in the style Gaia, and look how beautiful they are. They are gorgeous, and they retail for $25. Yep, it says they retail for $25, y'all. $25. I would not pay $25 for a lash, so I am grateful that this came in our box, but these are expensive, y'all. These are expensive. I usually buy Ardell lashes for like $5, but I will definitely be seeing how these $25 lashes compare to those $5 lashes, because that's a pretty hefty price tag for lashes, in my opinion. The next item, I'm actually so happy that we got this in our box, because whenever it's a deluxe sample at Sephora, I always get it, because I'd never want to pay the $50 for it. But it is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, and I have used up about 3 of this cream in like sample form, so I'm happy that I had the full size item now. It retails for $48, and I couldn't be more grateful, because one, I'm running out of the Elemis cream that came in our last Boxyluxe, so thank you, BoxyCharm. And 2, it's just a cream that I've always had my eye on, and now I'm a proud owner of it. So this is gonna be like my baby, my new baby. I know I like this cream, so I'm really happy that it's in this box. The next item is the only item I'll probably be trying on today, not gonna lie. It is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and it retails for $24. I got the shade in Taupe. Okay, I'm done. But this is how it looks. It's not a mauve vampy lip, so I'm very appreciative of that. Oh my lord. Okay. That is creamy, guys. That was a pretty fast reaction, but the color is really nice. I'm so happy I didn't get a mauve purple lipstick this time around, because we know I got them 3 times consecutively, and what? This is wonderful, and this sound is also wonderful, so this is a pass in my book. And now you guys probably think I'm weird. I'm so sorry, but yes, 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 yes. The next item is actually from Morphe. We've never gotten, oh my god, I'm a pig, I'm sorry. I can't have nice things. I'm currently like eating popcorn while I'm filming. So just to let you guys in on this secret, I had this popcorn filled up to here, and now it's all the way down there, just in the time of me filming. So that is why my hands are this greasy, so I'm sorry, and I hope you guys can forgive me about that. But yeah, we got a Morphe palette, and mine is the 15N Nightmaster. And y'all, let's be real, this is totally up my alley. They have purples and pinks and neutrals, so this one was a good choice for them to send me, and this retails for $16. I'm excited to try this one out later on in life, probably like tomorrow. The next thing in my box is the Deborah Lippmann O'Donnell and Modern Love. What are these called again? What are these called? Nail polishes. It doesn't even say nail polishes here, but these are nail polishes, and from me blanking on what they were called, you can probably tell that I do not wear nail polish. So these are actually being gifted off to my mother, because I don't paint my nails, but she is obsessed with painting her nails every week, so I'm pretty sure she would love these shades, and this retails for $20. And yeah, so that's her new gift, because I don't even know what nail polish is anymore. I'm so embarrassed. I'm sorry. I'm a mess, but this is still gonna go up, guys. This is still gonna go up. You know why? Because I want to show my mishaps too. I don't have to be perfect all the time, right? Not to say that I'm perfect, because I'm definitely not perfect, but y'all get the deal. The last thing in my box is actually so cute. This is the BoxyCharm train case, and this retails for $20. It's beautiful. It says BoxyCharm on it. It's so pretty, and it can hold a good amount of things. So I think this might be like my new travel case, because my old one is pretty defeated because I've had it since like high school. But this is beautiful, y'all. Do you see the multicolor shift that it has because of the lights and such? I appreciate this BoxyCharm. I really actually needed this, so I'm happy that we got this. Wow. This box just made my entire mood shift. I don't understand how makeup does that to me all the time. But we're gonna get back on track. The total of my box today was $302, which blows my mind on how they give it to us for 50 bucks. That's crazy. But I'm not gonna say anything because I appreciate it. I appreciate BoxyCharm. I appreciate that they understood their mishap in sending me the wrong palette. They actually gave us charms to make up for that. And I appreciate Keara because we're actually going to swap and actually have the right palettes. So thank you guys for watching me unbox Marta's Boxyluxe. And let me know what you guys thought about this whole entire video, because I genuinely enjoyed just sitting down and talking to you guys about the products instead of just like plopping them all over my face and going into tutorial mode. And I really felt like I was hanging out with somebody, even though I'm just like staring into my camera and talking. But I enjoyed making this video. Just let me know what you guys think about that. And second of all, I chose my person for the first Spotlight series episode, and I hope you guys love her as much as I do. She just texted me right now, and I'm so happy about that. And I'm so happy that a lot of you guys think that it's a really good idea, and I can't wait for you guys to see it on Wednesday, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But lastly, just thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye bye.